US President Donald Trump seems to be losing his war on wind energy. In December, his administration stopped construction of 5 offshore wind energy projects. But US courts may have put a halt to Trump's fossil fuel ambitions, and the battle for clean energy may not yet be lost. Before we go ahead, do remember to subscribe to our channel Down to Earth for regular coverage on environment and development. All 5 offshore wind projects halted by the Trump administration in December have now been allowed to resume construction. Over the past month, federal judges struck down the stop work orders in 5 different rulings. The last of these, the Sunrise Wind project off the coast of New York, received clearance on February 2nd. Together, the 5 projects are expected to generate 6 gigawatts of electricity, enough to power around 2.5 million American homes and businesses with cleaner and cheaper energy. So why did Trump oppose them?
My goal is to not let any windmill be built. They're losers.
To stop these projects, the Trump administration cited new national security concerns. But the details of these concerns were not made clear. Moreover, all the projects had obtained clearances from the previous administration under Joe Biden after rigorous security reviews. In each case, judges essentially concluded that the government failed to show any security threat serious enough to stop construction.
We're getting rid of the falsely named renewables.
Trump has made no secret of his efforts to slow the clean energy transition. During his campaign to return to the White House, he reportedly sought $1 billion in campaign funding from oil executives, promising major policy rollbacks in return. Since taking office in 2025, his administration has increased subsidies for fossil fuel producers, weakened environmental safeguards, rolled back Biden-era clean energy incentives, and attempted to block renewable projects already close to completion. Some of the halted wind farms were nearly finished. The Vineyard Wind project in Massachusetts, for example, was 95% complete and partially operational when construction was stopped. On January 27th, a federal judge lifted the stop work order, allowing it to move forward. Experts see offshore wind as a critical energy source for the US. Electricity demand is rising rapidly, driven largely by data centers. Deloitte estimates that electricity demand from data centers could grow more than 30-fold by 2035, reaching 123 gigawatts, up from just 4 gigawatts in 2024. To power this rising demand, the Trump administration is eyeing oil reserves, such as the ones in Venezuela. Renewable energy, however, offers an alternative that is not only cleaner, but also cheaper. And despite the push for fossil fuels, market forces and soaring electricity needs are ensuring that renewables remain firmly in play. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, please share in the comments below.